So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to translate text from one language to another here on Canva using Canva desktop. So once Canva's opened up, I'm just going to go ahead and type in some English text right here. So I'll just go ahead and type in the word. I don't know. I like the color blue. I don't know, something very basic. I like the color blue. There you go. Now, if you wanted to translate this to something different, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the left-hand side of your screen. Actually, go to the bottom here and press on Apps. Now, once you're on the app screen, here's a bunch of different ones you can select. But simply just go down to where it says More from Canva, and it says Translate right here. Press on that. So if you want to translate the page, translate text from current page, you can go ahead and highlight that, make sure that is highlighted. You can actually translate this to different language. So if you wanted to do Spanish, for instance, so go ahead and press on Spanish. I will then go to the bottom and press on Translate. It'll take a couple seconds, and now it actually translates. I'm not going to pronounce this because I'm not very good at speaking Spanish, but that's what it's like in Spanish right there. You can go ahead and change it to another language as well if you want to go maybe French. I'll go ahead and press on French. I'll press on Translate. Same idea. Takes a few seconds. Then all of a sudden, it translates this to French. So very simple, very straightforward. But that is how to translate text here on Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.